Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you guys are hearing the sound of the ocean, that's just because I am listening to the awesome clashing of waves at a beach using my Google Home. This kind of helps relax me a little bit sometimes. But anyhow, FaceApp. So this app is currently right now a popular sensation with everybody, as people is really loving this application because of some of the fun things you can do with it, as you guys see here in the description about the app as I am talking about it. There are various things you can do with this. You can change your hair color and style. You can apply a perfect evening or day makeup for females. You can find your perfect beard or mustache style. I mean, you can alter your selfie image, and it utilizes AI to basically not only smooth the images to make it just as real as possible as it can be, but today artificial intelligence is pretty much being embedded into just about every piece of technology that we have. And with that being said, I do want to point out some of the potential risks of using an app like this, because there are some red flags that people are pointing out. Obviously, one of them is the fact that when you do download this app, it wants you to either sign in with your Facebook account or your mobile phone number, but there is no other options to sign in with. So you couldn't use Twitter or your Google account to sign in, only Facebook. And I'm not sure if this app is actually binded with Facebook like Instagram and WhatsApp is, because the company itself is it doesn't say that it's Facebook owned, so I doubt it is. But the FaceApp Inc. is what it's called. It's kind of sketchy. Now, other potential risks is that most people today, they don't like their privacy rated, yet people willingly post their day-to-day lives on social media, and there's always somebody watching. But if you're a person who fears that maybe the government might tap in and take some private info from you, this app is one of the ways that the government can get some info. Not particularly like your social security number or your mobile phone number, or probably your mobile phone number if you signed into it, but this app can alter what you would look like with various different hairstyles, and also your age and things like that, and if you were to put a tattoo on you. So this app potentially can be used to see what you would look like 10 years from now, what you would look like currently right now, with a beard, without a beard, with a mustache, with a radical hair color, a radical haircut. You can do so much with this application, and it's scary because when you see people posting what they've done with the Face app to make themselves look 60 years old, seems to be the more popular one. It's when you look at the photos, they're not super sketchy. They look real. And that's just because of the image processing and the AI that's just making everything look just as real as possible with this application. And so if you're worried about, people kind of being able to keep up to date with what you would look like without actually having to see you in person or be on your social media accounts, this app definitely can do it, as it can take a selfie photo and edit it. So that's some of the potential risks that I think about when I think of the Face app. I'm not actually using it, and I don't intend to use it, but I just figured knowledge is power, so I would share that with you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like to let me know. If you just hit that subscribe button, I appreciate that. Thank you so much for doing so. Hit the bell option to be notified when I upload, and as always, aloha.